Now that we have downloaded Illustrator, let's open it up. In my case, I've just placed Illustrator on my desktop. As you can see right now, we are at the first page. You can see start a new file fast under here. The short key for creating a new project is Ctrl or Command N. And a create new one button right here. So we're going to click on create new. You're getting this kind of window with all kind of options. In this case, we would prefer film and video. And we can see right here all kind of different options, 4K, 8K. We're going with 4K Ultra HD. Just click on create and there is our project. We got different kind of workspaces. To see your workspace, go up to Window, then go down to Workspaces. And right here you can see we are currently in Essentials. But let's say I don't prefer Essentials workspace. Let's try out Automation. So I'm just going to click Automation. And as you can see, my workspace is now transformed to the workspace of Automation. But personally, I prefer the workspace Essential Classic. So I'm just going to click that one. And there we go. To import a photo or illustration into Illustrator, you can just drag them into Illustrator from the file destination. And that are the first steps in opening Illustrator. Let's now go to the next subject.